for any sort of jams. Tell it to force its way out of the folding plates if one got caught in there. So just run and try and drive that paper out, and or out of the exit section is this one. This is the first folding plate. It just comes right off. And then just kind of like a kitchen drawer, as I like to call it, drop it in and get it to reseat. And it should be nice and flush. There's a secondary folding plate underneath for potential jam removal. This one you can see the underside if you needed to, once again, remove a scrap piece of paper. Set it in there at an angle. And then just push it up in. And the door should close. When it needs cleaning, or some adjustments that you can do, a pressure lever for different weights of paper, times of seasons. Sometimes gets knocked backwards to -1 and will cause false jamming. Should normally be left there. A dial for angle if your paper's not feeding properly. Inside the front, there's a spot to blow canned air. Blow the paper lint out as needed when you see it starting to build up. That builds up over time, over hundreds of thousands of pages being folded.